friends, my name is Shriyansh Ashok Datir from grade 5 Euro School Undri, Pune, Maharashtra. This is my project floor cleaning robot, and these all are the components you will need to make this. This is a microprocessor Arduino Uno which controls everything in this device. This is a motor driver module. It drives every motor in this device and it gets the instructions from the Arduino Uno. This is a Bluetooth module which is connected to the mobile by an app called Serial Bluetooth Terminal. These are the batteries you will need. These are lithium-ion 3.7 volts. There is a smaller version in them too. These are the jumper wires. These wires help connect everything to the Arduino Uno. Now, you might be thinking that how to connect batteries to the Arduino Uno, as the Arduino Uno doesn't support this kind of wires. So, you have to take this type of connector, as you can see, and a switch, then screw this connector off and then put this thing on over here, on the smaller one. See? And the black wire over here on the switch. Like this. You have to take one wire from here and connect this to the black wire to the big installment over here. Wait. I've already done it, so I don't need to do it again. Over here, a big one. You have to connect this to this. So now, this will go here, this will go here, and done. When you're done that, just connect it to the Arduino Uno and try it once. Now let's assemble this thing. First, take the big wheels and attach it to the double shaft gear motor. Do it quite gently, or else the wheel or the motor might get damaged. The front motors are done. You have to now insert these motors into these two motors, single shaft gear motors. Just like this. Now after all, we have done everything now. In a snip, I will remove this all like this. Boom! I have removed everything. Now you might be thinking, why is this over here? You will need this and you will have to insert this over here because it is the water tank. Like this. Now I will show you the working of this model. First take your mobile, go to this app right over here, go to the three lines on the top left, devices, and then HC05. It is saying now connecting to HC05, and now it is now saying connection failed because I have not on this. Wait, I'll do the same process again. See. Connected? Now, When I put F, it will go forward. When I put B, it will go backward. L, it will go left side. R, it will go right side. As you can see, it is going backwards pretty slowly. So it can clean efficiently in this matter of time. Now I am going to put F so it can go in front. Sorry, I have put, It is turning itself and doing it, making it straight. Now I am going to put R. It is going to the right side. This is stopped because the friction over here and this moves, then the friction is there and turns it to the right side, and then L to the left side. It moves slowly because of the same purpose, and it will mop everything. For stopping it, I have to type S over here. Done. Now this is done. Now it stops. The advantages of this device are that it cleans the floor efficiently. It does its work on time, and it saves water. Maximum it needs 1 glass of water and minimum half to 3/4 glass of water. The disadvantages are that it may get stuck in carpets, toys, then chairs, and many more. It may get low in battery while doing its task, and then the part may get loosened or the part may get removed from the device. So it is very delicate. My future plans are that I will add a vacuum in it plus mop. Then I will add some brushes over here. Then a little bit of self-cleaning. Then a little bit of self-cleaning. Then I will make a station that it will remove the dirt and the dirty water from the robot, and then it will go, when it is low in battery in between, it will go to its station. Automatically. Thanks for your time, and hope you like my project, and idea. Thank you.